Auburn locks down another junior college transfer in Salvatore Cannella, bringing him in as a tight end. Give us a profile on him, some statistics, and what we can expect from him as he heads to the Plains.
Yeah, he's going to have 3 years left to play. He played his freshman season at Scottsdale, Arizona Community College. Caught 7 touchdown passes, caught around 30 to 40 balls. So wasn't recruited out of Chicago in high school, goes to junior college, a very successful junior college, and gets noticed. Picks Auburn over Texas and Maryland over at the end.
Of course, the tight end position, something that Auburn went after, and really, if you think about it, the past couple of years, Auburn, after losing C.J. Uzoma, they really haven't had that tight end position and a go-to guy. How can he fill that role?
Yeah, he can catch and he can run the field, and I think he's going to give the Auburn offense, no matter who's playing quarterback, another weapon. So he can hit the seam. He's 6'6", 230. He's got long arms. So at the very minimum, he's another red zone threat in the end zone.